See how you're hearing more hats?
Borrow these real quick.
So what do you use to make beats or whatever you use?
Oh man, usually bro, I like to play drums like live.
Yeah. Nice. Come play with this real quick. And I'm gonna count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, and y'all can add more. I think the claps are good there. I think. I don't know, but like y'all can add more to it. You know. You wanna add piano? Yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all how to add piano. So let's put this and this one. Or let's add another piano.
This place got some crazy ass neighbors.
When you hear piano sound, you like, let me know. That one?
That one.
This one? That's like nice and mellow. So it says sample added to list. That means it's added here now. But the new Jim Crow. Anybody know what the old Jim Crow is or learn about that in school?
I have no idea what
The Jim Crow is basically a system of racial control that came about after slavery ended. Right? So after slavery ended, they wrote the 13th Amendment. Now who is that? Whose voice is that we're hearing? Martin Luther King, right? And he's just saying what we say all the time. All we say to Americans, be true to what you said on paper. We'll do another demo beat just to show you all what can be done on these. And then your haze right there. I'm gonna turn it on.
Even though they're girls.
Bruno Mars, right?
Jim Crow ain't